This is your video on distributing and then combining like terms to completely simplify an expression. So first of all, we need to box in the section where we're actually distributing, and that would be where the parentheses are, and then also what am I distributing. So if you take a look, there's a minus sign here. Anytime you see that with a minus and then I open parentheses, there's really a little -1 there that we don't usually write. So you can put that in there, and then I'm going to box in the -1 with the section where I'm actually distributing it. And everything else that's not in that rectangle, I just drop it down. So I'm going to drop down my 3, I'm going to write plus, and I'm going to include my negative inside the parentheses when I distribute. So -1 times 2x plus -1 times 4, and then I just drop down my minus 3x. And so then next I'm going to finish my little distributing part by multiplying each little piece there. So we get 3, -1 times 2x is a -2x, -1 times +4 is a -4, and then I'm going to drop down my -3x. So at this point I'm ready to combine my like terms. So I'm going to circle my constants with their sign. It's a +3, -4, and I'm going to box in or put a square around my x terms and their sign. So there's a -2x, there's a -3x. Off to the side I'll do a little t-chart, just some side work to help me combine my like terms. So in the x column I will put my x terms with their signs, and then I'm going to put my constants with their signs. And then it's top to bottom. So I'm going to do -2 minus 3. It's my x term. So -2x minus 3x is going to be -5x. 3 minus 4 is going to be -1. So I'm going to put a -1. And then I'm going to take my answer from my t-chart and put it back under the original. And that's my final answer. Remember, I can't add an x term and a constant, add or subtract them. So that's my final answer.